Hello friends, welcome to the learning curve. Now look at this question of factorial, that is x minus 5 factorial is equals to 6 factorial into 7 factorial. Let's see how do we proceed in this question. Just take the left hand side as it is. You can write 6 factorial as 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. Similarly, 7 factorial can be written as 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. Now, write these 7 values in ascending order: 1 into 2 into 3 into 4 into 5 into 6 into 7. Next, just multiply 4 with 2, you get 8, and then split 6 into 3 and 2, right? Now, multiplying this 3 and this 3, you get 9. Now, multiplying this 2 with this 5, you get 10. So, we are done with all the numbers. Then you see this makes 10 factorial, and on the left hand side we have x minus 5 whole factorial. Factorial on the both sides will get cancelled, so you get x minus 5 is equals to 10. Further, x is equals to 10 plus 5, or x is equals to 15. And here you are done.